Good morning, children. Welcome back to the SST class. See, today we all are here to learn another new lesson, the earth and its neighbors. This is lesson number 4. Sorry, this is lesson number 3. Okay, lesson number 3, earth and its neighbors. See, our earth belongs to the solar system. Besides earth, there are 7 other planets in the solar system. All these planets are earth neighbors. Do you know the other 7 planets of solar system?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we will learn about that later. First, you see what is Earth. Earth, the blue planet. You all know why we call Earth is a blue planet. It is also known as watery planet because 70% of its surface is covered by water. It reflects about one third of sunlight it receives. The Earth atmosphere scatters the light and creates a blue effect. So it is also called blue planet and only planet having life. So our Earth is a special planet and it is also called the blue planet because 70% of its surface is covered by water, and also our Earth has atmosphere. Our Earth is surrounded by the atmosphere where we get a natural gas called oxygen which help us to breathe, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And next, why we call the other 7 planets as Earth's neighbor? So which is the first planet from the sun?
Ma'am,
Yes,
Mercury.
it is Mercury. Okay, please mute. Please mute. It is Mercury, and Mercury is the smallest planet, and it is very close to the sun that you all can see on screen, right?
Page number.
Leave the page number. You see the screen. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Ha. So concentrate on screen, children. The first planet from the sun is Mercury. It is very small in size, smallest planet and closest to the sun. Very hot during the day, has a very thin atmosphere. Hence, heat is quickly lost at night and it becomes very cold. Okay, these are the features of planet Mercury. And after Mercury, which planet comes? Venus.
Venus.
Venus, hottest planet in our solar system. See, hottest planet in our solar system, and it comes in the second place from the sun, but still it is considered as the hottest planet in our solar system. It has a high percentage of carbon dioxide in its atmosphere, which traps heat. Okay, it has a high percentage of carbon dioxide. In Earth atmosphere, high percentage of oxygen is there, which help us to breathe. But in Venus surface, there are high percentage of carbon dioxide in its atmosphere, which traps heat. Brightest of all the planets in the night sky. In at night also we can see this planet because it is brightest of all the planets, also called the morning and evening star, as it appears in the eastern sky before sunrise and in the western sky after sunset. It is closest to the earth. Venus is closest to the earth because the next planet is earth. Yes or no? So it is closest to the earth. And next comes earth. Earth. only planet in our solar system that has water in liquid form and oxygen. And one of the important feature of Earth is it supports life, takes 365 1/4 days to revolve around the sun, takes 24 hours to rotate about its own axis. This all you have learned in previous lesson, right? The rotation and revolution of the earth, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Rotation cause what? Rotation cause day. Very good. Rotation cause day and night, and revolution cause climates. Seasons. Sorry, revolution cause seasons. Revolution takes 365 1/4 days, and rotation takes 24 hours. Right? After the Earth, which planet is there? Mars. See, the features of Mars and Earth is similar. Somewhere it is similar. That's why our scientist is planning to go to. They have already gone, but still they are finding new things on the planet Mars. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
A reddish planet. Mars is a reddish planet. Red color is due to the presence of iron oxides in the soil. Has two moons. See, Mars has two moons. Our Earth has
One moon.
very good. Our Earth has one moon, but Mars has two moon.
Ma'am, one moon.
In future, अगर हम Mars पे गए तो just imagine the day and night on Earth because it has two moon.
Yes, ma'am.
नेक्स्ट ट्रिप हम मार्स पे जाएंगे. ओके ओके. Red color is due to the presence of iron oxides in the soil. Has two moons, Deimos and Phobos. Deimos and Phobos. And after Mars, Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. See, Jupiter is the largest planet. Please don't distract. Mute. Suchita, please mute. Otherwise, I'll remove you from the meeting.
Ma'am, please number.
See, Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, has rings made up of shattered fragments from its inner moons, is a gaseous planet having no solid surface. It has no solid surface, is a gaseous planet. You can't touch, it seems, because it has no solid surface. It is a gaseous planet. गैस से बना हुआ है. It has no solid structure to touch or feel anything. Okay. After Jupiter, Saturn, yellowish planet, the second largest planet in our solar system, gaseous planet. Even Saturn is also a gaseous planet. Saturn's distinctive feature is the rings made up of ice and dust that surrounds the planet. You can see the ring around the Saturn planet, and that ring is made up of ice and dust. And next is Uranus, very cold and gaseous planet, is greenish in color, third largest planet in our solar system. And next is Neptune, very cold and stormy planet, the fourth largest planet in a solar system, most dense planet, has 17 times the mass of Earth. See,
this is the solar system.
see, this is the solar system, and you can see the axis and orbit of every planet. Earth is in third place. First is Mercury, second is Venus. In third place, Earth is there. You can see the moon over here. Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. See, earlier Pluto was counted as the ninth planet of the solar system. Yes or no? However, it was later removed from the group of planet. It is now called a dwarf planet because it is too small to be a planet. That's why now we have removed the Pluto planet from the solar system because it is too small to be called as a planet. Okay, so now we take Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and only Neptune. See the rotation of the planet on its orbit, how it moves. Are you able to see?
No.
It is visible to everyone. Children, it is visible to everyone. Can you hear me, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? See, this is our solar system. Yes.
ma'am.
See here, solar system means what, children? Solar means of or from the sun. It is all the planets moving around the sun. The solar system includes the sun, the 8 planets, and all the other smaller objects that move around it. You all can see here. The sun is the center of the solar system, right? All the planets, including the Earth, move around the sun.
Screen is not seeing.
What?
Screen is not seeing.
Screen is not seen? Now you can.
Screen seeing.
What happened? Now you can see? See all the planets.
I cannot see the screen.
Who can't see the screen? Others? Aditya? Arav Keswani?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
But now your voice is not clear.
Okay, now it is?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See, I'm sharing the screen. It is visible? Is the screen is visible? Is it visible? Children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See,
Yes, ma'am.
you please off your video and audio. Please off your video and audio. Then only you can view. It is visible, right? Okay. See here, all the planets, including the Earth, move around the sun in their fixed orbit. You can see here, it is all moving in his fixed orbit. Means fixed track. They all are moving in his fixed track.
Cannot see clear the
All these planets do not have a light of their own. they get light from the sun. Okay, no planet has light. No planet has light. They get light from the sun. The 8 planets in the solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These are the 8 planets of solar system. We live on the planet Earth. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. Mars is also known as the red planet. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Saturn is surrounded by bright rings. Uranus is the third largest of the 8 planets. Neptune is the 8th planet from the sun. These are all the things already I have explained. I have shown the PPT also. See here the movement of all the planet of our solar system. Mercury, how it is rotating? It is rotating, yeah, the rotation of this Mercury is very slow. It takes 58 days, 15 hours, 15, see here, Mercury takes 58 days to rotate. Venus, 243 days. See, so slowly it is rotating. Earth, it takes 23 hours and 56 minutes. That is 24 hours. It takes 24 hours to rotate. And Mars, 1 day 36 minutes. And the rotation, what we say, the rotating way is same. Earth and Mars is rotating in the same way. Jupiter, it takes 9 hours and 55 minutes to rotate. Saturn, it takes 10 hours and 40 minutes. And Uranus, you can see the arrow mark, how it rotates. And Neptune, it takes 16 hours to rotate. Understood? Understood, children? Can you hear me? Children, can you hear me? Can you hear me? See, the order of the planets. How you will remember the order of a planet? You saw this, children? You understood this? You understood this rotation of all 8 planets? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
See, the order of the planet, you have to remember how it comes. Okay, so for that, I'll tell you something. According to that, you can remember the order of 8 planets. Okay, my very educated mother just served us 9 pizzas. Remember this, okay? My, Mercury, very, Venus, educated, Earth, Mother, Mars, just, Jupiter, served, Saturn, us, Uranus, 9, Neptune, pizzas, Pluto. Will you remember this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What you have to remember? My very educated mother, my very educated mother just served us 9 pizzas. Okay. Understood? Once you remember this, you can write all the 8 planets in order. So you all understood till here, children?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
tell me what we learned. What we learned in this class?
Ma'am, it is fourth lesson.
Sorry, it is third lesson.
Ma'am, not with your solar system.
Yes.
All about the chemicals and solar system.
What
and
happened?
features of planets.
Huh. Very good. We have learned solar system and other
And
8 planet of a solar system, and
these one features are planets.
yes, also learn the features of 8 planets, how it works and its features, how it functions, right? So which is the smallest planet in a solar system? Now it was not counted as a 9th planet. Pluto is removed from the solar system. Very good. Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet. Tell me some features of Venus. Tell me some features of Venus.
Is the hottest planet. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system.
Very
With
good.
high percentage of carbon dioxide
Yes.
in its atmosphere,
Which traps heat. Yes.
brightest of all the planets in the night sky.
Yes.
Also called the morning and evening star,
Yes.
as it appears in the
What happened? As it appears in the eastern sky before sunrise and in the western sky after sunset.
and in the western sky after sunset is closest to the earth.
Yes, Venus is closest to the Earth. Now, what is the features of Earth?
Only planet in our solar system that has water.
Give chance to some other. Give chance to some other. Say one by one.
It is 365 1/4 days to revolve around the sun. Takes 24 hours to rotate about its
On
own
axis. Now, give chance to other. Tell me others who can tell Mars. Features of Mars.
We live in this planet. It is 1/4 covered by water. Red planet.
Mars is a reddish planet. Red color is due to the presence of iron. All this Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus. These are gaseous planet. It has no solid surface. Mute children. Yes. All these planets has gaseous surface. Okay. It has no solid surface. It's a gaseous planet. See our solar system. All the planet moves in its fixed orbit. They don't change the track. Okay. It has a fixed orbit, fixed path to rotate around the sun. Yes. And our Earth has only one moon. Moon, asteroids and comets we will learn in tomorrow's class. Okay?
Okay,
Yes. Can you see this?
ma'am. Ma'am.
See? All the planets moving on its fixed orbit.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
See the rotation of all the planets. Can you see this? See the order of the planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. This we will learn in tomorrow's class. Okay, children?
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Okay, children, you all